Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which will generate the boilerplate code for all the major projects such as Node, Express, React, Angular. So this is the ultimate extension. Just simply type on VS Code extensions tab, give me boilerplate. This is the name of the extension, the boilerplate generator developed by this person. So manually search for this and simply click the install button. So after clicking install, you basically have the option right here. So you either you can go to command palette or simply type the shortcut Control Shift P on Windows and simply say give me, or simply say create a, I think you will find out this. Yeah, so if you just type here create, you will see this option appearing, create Node Express project or create npm package project. So if you say create Node Express project, so now what it will do, it will try to create a very basic Node.js project for you, and you can see automatically it will install the dependencies for you, and it created a new folder right here. If you see, so inside your package.json file, it basically installing all the dependencies here, which is express.env, body parser, mocker instance. So it is creating a brand new express application. So this is all the files are automatically generated for you. So you simply select that option right here, and you also have the option to create a npm project as well. So simply type create, and you can even create npm package project as well. So this is the extension. Definitely try this. Give me a boilerplate. Can after that it will run your application as well. So definitely try this. It generates the boilerplate code for Node Express and Angular applications.